Hello everybody, this is your guy Drew, the OromoRepublican. Dream about your land too, people. Start dreaming. Like, for how long is Mexico just gonna constantly cross the border because there is no dream in Mexico, and the liberals tell you dream is only in America? For how long are the Mexicans gonna just cross this border, struggle on the process of crossing the border? For how long? Liberals don't want to give you that solution. For how long East Africans and the rest of Africa are going to migrate to Kenya, and from Kenya's embassy they're going to look to go abroad to Europe and Australia and America? For how long are we going to do that? Back 200 years ago, 300 years ago, 50 years ago, 25 years ago, 10 years ago, 5 years ago. It happened last year, but it needs to stop now. We have to realize there has to be an Oromo dream in Oromia. There has to be a Kenyan dream in Kenya. There has to be a South African dream in South Africa. There has to be a Somalia dream in Somalia. There has to be a Mexico dream in Mexico. There has to be a Vietnamese dream in Vietnam. There has to be a Chinese dream in China. There has to be North Korean dream in North Korea. You know what I'm saying? There has to be Iranian dream in Iran. There have to be a Yemeni dream in Yemen. We cannot constantly repeat there is dream only in Europe. We cannot say that no more. There is only dream in Australia and America. We cannot say that no more. That is only possible by getting rid of your crooked leaders, having real leaders. My Oromo people, let's get our Republican value up. The rest of the people in the third world countries, get your Republican values up. Let's make dream possible in our countries, in our heritage. Let's not be fooled by liberals. Thank you so much. Subscribe. Take care. Peace.